You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
Hello and welcome to Lab 11, Customizing Customer Portal and Managing Email. Let's move ahead. For this lab, we need to log in into home.atlassian. As you can see, I have logged in into home.atlassian and now let's click on Jira Service Management. Next to NetSoft IT Service Management, we are going to click on these three dots, which is More Action, and we'll click on Space Setting. On Space Setting page, we'll expand Channel and Self-Service. Let's expand Channels and Self-Service, and then we'll click on Portal. Now let's move ahead, and here in the portal name, we will ensure that portal name is NetSoft IT Academy. Okay, and let's move ahead. In the introduction text, we are going to add, we will verify, okay, welcome, you can raise a request. Okay, now logo can be added as per the organization requirement or policy. Okay, now on portal page, scroll down. Let's scroll down, and under channel access, edit customer permission. On customer permission page, under customer sharing, we are going to select customer can search. So under customer sharing, we will select customer search within their organization, or enter email address of customer within their space. Okay, so we are going to select this option under customer sharing. Let me show it to you once again. We are in customer permission. We will select search those within their organization or enter email address of customers within their space. Okay, now we'll click on save. Again, let's move ahead and perform the next step. In the next step, on Jira Service Portal, on Jira Service Management, let's get back over there. Space setting, we have expanded channels and self-service, and now we are going to click on portal, and we'll scroll down again. Here we have announcement. We are going to select yes, agent can add announcement to this portal, and we'll click on save. Now after selecting yes, agent can add announcement to this portal, let's scroll up and we'll copy portal URL. Portal URL. So we have copied this portal URL. Now let's add a new tab, paste it. Here we can see Help Center. We see all the details over here. Now let's move ahead and perform another task in this same lab, which is managing email in Jira Service Management. Let's move ahead. In space setting, under channels and self-service, we'll click on email. On email page, we'll click on create Atlassian email. On create new Atlassian email, we are going to type service desk. Okay. Service desk, and in request type we are going to select get IT help and we'll click on create. Email address, service desk, request type get help, create. Okay. Now on email page we'll click on add external email. We'll add an external email over here. You can provide any external email ID. We'll click on continue with Microsoft. I'm going to add click on next. It's asking me to log in. Once you sign in, you need to click on accept. Click on accept. So now as you can see, both the IDs are visible over here. With this we have added external email ID as well. With this we have completed lab number 11. That's it for this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.